All right, welcome to the Bad Haircut channel. This is Corey Draper, and I'll be your host. And I know I need a haircut, but I'm not going to do it. Thank you for watching my video, and good night. All right, maybe we'll talk about LiveGood, and hopefully I can maybe provide some value, mainly about AI, artificial intelligence. I've been called artificial before. That means fake. And intelligence, I've never been accused of that. So AI, I don't have a lot of experience being an AI, maybe AIIO or whatever. I know they're vowels, I think, but I want to show you this software, and you're going to probably hear about it. And I'm sure there's going to be probably 5,000 other opportunities to maybe rent or buy software that is AI oriented. Nowsite is one of the leaders. This kid, young kid, graduated from Harvard, magna cum laude. Man, that is pretty badass. So yeah, a very young and smart young chap invented this. And so far, so good. It's been around since about 2017. It does business with billion-dollar companies. I tend to believe that this is effective AI technology, and it's one of the leaders. And I don't mind giving it a twirl when it comes down to finding people targeted that might be interested in buying or using the products of LiveGood, which are health and wellness oriented, or maybe they want to do it as a business, which is good for you if you're an affiliate. Because boy, I'll tell you, if you can get some people in your group that represent two and so on and so on, before you know it, you might have 100 or 1,000 people in your darn group making you some nice money. Wouldn't that be nice? So I'm going to go ahead and shrink the screen. I'm going to probably be on the bottom right. So if you need me, I'm just going to be like down in the corner, and I want to show you the screen to Nowsite. Okay, I'm trying to find the button. There we go. Okay, what we can do is let's start at the start button. Do you see start up here on the very top left? There's a picture of a house. That means home. Right down at the bottom, this little bluish green square, it says AI. When you push it, it goes to this screen right here. Okay, so to repeat, you join Nowsite, you're on the home page, go down to AI, about 4 or 5 inches down, and click it. You're going to be on this page. There's chat right here and business profile. With business profile, I'm going to do another video on it, but what it is you can put in a bunch of nice descriptions all about LiveGood. So what I did is I went to the company website. I kind of searched with Google, tell me about LiveGood, and I know all about LiveGood quite well at this point. So what I did is I just filled in a bunch of information that's very easy to understand about LiveGood, what it is and whatnot, and then you hit save. So this AI technology already has a little bit of information saved about what LiveGood is. Plus it can scour the internet and probably figure out that LiveGood, obviously live space good is something different, but if LiveGood is all one word with affiliate or nutrition products or something behind it, it knows that it's with this company LiveGood I'm talking about. So anyway, see here at the bottom, there's a white rectangle box. You can type in anything you want and type like it's a human, because this is where the AI software is just waiting to answer your questions. Okay, so remember, you go to the chat here. There's business profile. I set that up already with some interesting things about LiveGood. In the chat, that's where I'm at now. Go to the bottom. What I did is I typed in, tell me some keywords, how to get people that want to be an affiliate for LiveGood. Okay, I typed it in, I hit this purple square right here, and in about 5 to 10 seconds, it popped up these keywords that this AI technology think would be really good to either use on a YouTube video, or most importantly, when you start prospecting people, it asks, tell me about their interest and skills. And I can show you that in another video, but I just wanted to show you that these are really good descriptions of what people are if they're interested in using LiveGood's products or maybe being an affiliate. So the top one, health and wellness. Yeah, they're definitely into that. Are they into fitness? Yeah, because if you want to lose weight and be fit, you usually have a bunch of cool products like what LiveGood sells. Are they into lifestyle? I think so. They want to be more active. They want to do stuff. They don't want to sit on the couch and watch Netflix. I mean, that's a lifestyle, but LiveGood, it's very active. I think if you study LiveGood, it's all about, having some energy and getting outside and kicking some ass. Nutrition, definitely. natural products. Yes, we have a lot of great natural, sugar-free, low-calorie or no-calorie products, very organic, pretty kick-ass. Our two doctors, they do a great job overlooking every single product before it goes out the door. Plant-based, yeah, we definitely have plant-based products. Vegan, holistic, yeah. People, they do like to practice being a vegan, or maybe they have a whole different approach with holistic. It's up to them, free will. Are they mindful? Yeah. Self-care? I'd say so. People are definitely into self-care. Wellness bloggers? Yeah, there's a lot of people that still blog. Everyone kind of forgets about it, but hell yeah, people love to have their own articles and just publish them. And who knows who can read. The day of the old newspaper at the front door, that's kind of a thing of the past when you can go online and search for things, and news is almost instant nowadays. But wellness bloggers, yep. Influencers, yeah. An influencer is kind of like a butthole like me that might try to talk about a product. And it's not that I want to influence you. I mean, I know it sounds like I kind of am, but all I do is recommend some things, and I just show you some results that might be working for me. I really do like this AI software. And if I am an influencer, I can see where this AI software says, hey, you know what, go after some influencers. See if there's people that are into health and nutrition or affiliate marketing or an MLM. There's a lot of people that have opinions because the affiliate marketers, that's exactly who we're looking for. All right, online fitness communities. Hell yeah, we're online. We got some kick-ass products for fitness people. People into yoga. Hell yeah. I fell the other day and I did a yoga position and it was badass. I can't do it again, but when I fell and my legs were above my head, that was yoga. So right on. Meditation. People definitely that like to meditate, relax. Will they like the products? Yeah. I mean, do you think that they might want to be an affiliate? Who knows, when they watch the video and understand that for $40 they can be an affiliate and make money with this company, they might do it. Weight loss, of course. Healthy living, no brainer. Supplements, yes. We have vitamins, magnesium. We got some really kick-ass products, and they're affordable because they're wholesale. Exercise, of course. Gym motivation, absolutely. Personal development, yes. I think people definitely want to make themselves better. And this company with the products, that's what they are designed for. And if you can make money as an affiliate, if you just made, let's say right now, $100 a month, 500, 1,000, that's awesome. That puts you in a positive mindset. I really like that. That's one of my most important things about this AI software is that you can ask it something, it recommends something, and what it'll do is it'll email, it will text, it does all this fancy stuff for you. You can make it automated or just press a simple button after filling out information, and it will save it. So if you have a list of, let's say, 200 people, right now I got over 1,300 people, and I haven't even really done anything the last week. I've had some really busy things that I'm doing, and I love LiveGood. I go out of my way to do this product. Or this company, I think it's fun as hell. But if I'm on a roll and you give me 3 or 4 days, I'm going to definitely get some nice targeted people. Contacts, clicks, links, prospects, call it what you want. I want a nice person that wants to just look into this opportunity either for the products or maybe do it as an affiliate. And if they don't want to do it, they can just hit a button and I'm gone. They're on their way. And if they are interested in the opportunity and they put their email in on the capture page with LiveGood, that's awesome. I'll see them in my livegood.com website. And the nice thing about LiveGood is if they do use their real email address, for 30 days, email from LiveGood. Just a nice email saying, hey guys, I see you're interested. If you'd like to give it a shot, go to this website for more info. Or if you want to make a decision and join, just go here and let's rock and roll. So it's a very cool process. This AI software is amazing, but it's nice to just ask it questions. You can't offend this. Now, don't put bad words and try to do horrible things because I'm sure there's filters in here that like, no, we're not going to give you the code on how to break into Wells Fargo and steal all of its money, okay? But if you just want some really nice keywords to put in this software that will find people that are targeted, but you can put in your own, like I want leads from people that are successful in Nu Skin or Amway, maybe with Mary Kay, Home Interiors. Gosh, there's so many dang MLMs out there where the products are retail. Okay, this company's completely the opposite. I think, in my opinion, this company is a lot easier to mission accomplish, get people to sign up, make a couple bucks, get excited, make it entertaining. The products are wholesale. You can't beat them. If you can beat them, you're just going to go do it. I've already looked at cheaper products. With this thing, and I put this in a lot of videos, so if you watch my videos, I was using the products before being an affiliate. I just want to save money. I make a good living, but I'm not stupid. I know I look like it, but if I have extra money, I really do like to take someone out, do something, maybe drive one of my vehicles that get 8 to the gallon, or maybe buy something a little crazy like some Hot Wheels or some Lego kits and put on the back wall. But if the products are good and you can research what is in them, what's the calorie, what's the sugar, is it organic, check it out, because that's what the philosophy of this company is way above and beyond average, that you can go to All a Dollar or a swap meet. I love Walmart. Great place. They make more money than anyone I know, but sometimes their nutritional products, they're okay, but they're not super above average where a professional athlete might say, you know what, I'm going to use what LiveGood sells. I just need a better quality. And that's cool. But anyway, this software I really enjoy. I think if you do get it for at least a month, try it out, take it serious. It's going to be waiting for you. And go ahead and just get keywords. And then go to prospects. And I'll make videos. I already have a whole bunch of videos on how to get prospects and leads, but that's my main focus. It'll build you a website if you want. It'll text. It'll do auto response. It'll do a lot of cool shit. But right now, if you're in LiveGood, I think what you need is leads. You just need some nice people to look at your link, take a breather, and get hundreds more. Get thousands of people to look at that darn link, and people will make a decision on their own. And if they come as an affiliate and they start making money, they'll get a hold of you and go, thank you. I know you didn't personally maybe know me, but by you sending me this link, I've got badass products for wholesale. But on top of that, I'm making an extra $500 a month. That is freaking awesome, man. So I hope that happens to you. I get site emails all the time, and I think that's kind of like one of my incentives I really enjoy. It makes me feel good about myself. I'm going to be honest. If somebody has a nice thing to say about something I did, it still tickles me pink as I'm in purple, because I wear Purple Kiss t-shirts when I do videos, and my hat kind of matches too. So anyway, look into the AI software. You absolutely do not have to have it to be successful with LiveGood, but I think if you do hit an obstacle of where you're out of leads, you're tired, you're starting to feel bad about yourself, that you just aren't posting interesting enough, don't think that way. Don't take offense. There's a trillion other people that have went to Harvard, to the best marketing schools, and they post shit and not one person gives a rat's ass, because you got a guy named Mr. Beast or Billy lighting his damn ass on fire with lighter fluid and farting on top of a school bus that gets 50 billion views. And that Harvard marketing genius got 4 views, and it ended up being like a robot that just looked at it and said, nope, I don't want it. So don't take offense. Don't take it personal. We've all tried to be interesting and fun and successful in things. But in my opinion, I just think this might be an answer for you. And I just want to talk about it. I'm making a lot of video about this. I want my downline and their downline and so on to give this a shot if they get to the point where they want to quit. Don't quit LiveGood. It's affordable. It's in Pampers. It's in the beginning stages, and it's already doing $8 million a month, 270,000 people worldwide in over 220 countries. You cannot buy that type of success. You can have billions of dollars. No one gives a shit. The reason why this company is successful is because it's affordable, $9.95 a month. Products are wholesale. Shipping is awesome with tracking, and you got 90 days to check out the products and get your money back. So it's a win-win-win. It's really cool. So I'm excited for you. If you want to join, there's a video link underneath here. I think I use joincorey.com or pleasewatchvideo.com. They both go to the same page to join. And if you're interested in this software, there's a link underneath as well. And like I said, thank you for the couple bucks. I do make some money if you join. And thank you for that. I just like to be honest. If you buy me a lunch with my commission or affiliate fee, whatever you want to call it, high five. High five you, man. I owe you a lunch. If you're ever in Salt Lake City, get a hold of me. I'm very easy to get a hold of here. So, all right, you guys have a good day, night, or afternoon, or whatever. And hopefully you'll watch my next video popping up right after this one. All right, take care, guys. We'll see you soon.